When you set up your gradebook, you have a choice to make. Do you want to use assignment type weighting or total points to determine student grades? This video is going to show how to set up assignment type weighting. If you haven't seen the assignment type creation video, make sure you watch those first. In order to set up assignment type weighting, I'll go to Gradebook Setup. And then once there, I'm prompted to respond to what kind of assignment types I want to use. Make sure you've watched that assignment type video so this makes sense to you. In any case, I'm going to leave this alone where it says add my types, in other words, the assignment types that I've created to the district types. And then those assignment types are listed down here. Now, in order to set up category weights, I just simply add numbers in here. The moment I add a number in here, Synergy knows that I want to use category weights. If I were to use total points, I would just leave this blank. So for assessment, let's say I make that 50%, classwork 15%, final for the term 10%, homework 10%, performances 10%, project 5%. In addition to assigning assignment type weights, I can also drop scores. If I enter any number in this column here, for example, if I enter in 2 in classwork, the gradebook will automatically drop each student's 2 lowest scores from that classwork assignment type. In other words, if there are 10 assignments in the classwork assignment type, the 2 lowest for each individual student will be dropped. I can also assign default points possible. This will save me time when I'm creating assignments in these different assignment types. For example, if I have homework at 5 points as a default, every time I create a homework assignment, the first number that's going to show up when I create that assignment is 5 points. However, I can change that at the time of creating assignments. Once I get all the settings the way that I want them, I can copy these to my other sections. If I want to copy them to all sections, I'll click this box. If I want to copy them to individual sections, I will do so below. Last, when you're ready to save and copy to whatever classes you want to copy to, you click Update.